The media has to play a big role in accountability of the public officers, because in Nepal still the public officers are not very accountable to the common people. When the common people cannot even reach, they don't have access to the public officers, government officers, and so and government officers are not normally giving the information timely. So I think if the media goes, they will be compelled and bound to give the information. First, then what are the informations necessary? I think first information, what the Nepal government is doing in the sector of the climate change. What are the activities going in daily life, you see? Because there is a lot of projects going in Nepal on the climate adaptations, on the renewable energy projects, and the yearly forecasting system, weather forecasting systems, and few others. So media has to make a publicly aware what the government is doing in the sector of climate change. It is on the policy level issues, it is on the implementing issues, it is what are the impacts of the work which had been done, especially when do the adaptation, whether it is related to their livelihood or not. So because what is the adaptation, we say that when there is a calamity, there is a change, you should be ready for that. If the rain is coming, if the heavy rain is coming, they should be ready to face the things, whether we are adaptable to that or not. So what work they are doing, even the small job, or especially I will request the media as a media, that if there is a success story, whether in any part of Nepal, then it should be more bring into the focus, so that the success story will encourage others peoples also to do that adaptive works in their sectors.